McDonald's is one of the most recognizable brands worldwide, with over 38,000 locations. However, behind the scenes, McDonald's has been building a real estate empire. The company's business model is based on franchise economics, land ownership, and rent. By controlling the land, McDonald's can charge rent to its franchisees, generating passive income. This strategy has allowed McDonald's to become one of the largest commercial real estate owners. McDonald's real estate portfolio is valued at over $30 billion, with properties in prime locations. The company's focus on real estate has helped it weather economic downturns and increase profitability. Franchisees pay a significant portion of their sales to McDonald's as rent and royalties. This creates a steady stream of income for McDonald's, regardless of individual restaurant performance. McDonald's has also used its real estate holdings to secure low-interest loans and finance expansion. The company's operating leverage allows it to generate significant profits from a small increase in sales. By spreading its risk across thousands of locations, McDonald's can mitigate losses and maintain profitability. McDonald's real estate strategy has been emulated by other companies, such as Starbucks and Subway. However, McDonald's remains one of the largest and most successful commercial real estate owners. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions has helped it maintain its position. McDonald's has invested heavily in technology, including data analytics and AI-powered marketing tools. These investments have helped the company optimize its operations and improve customer experience. Despite the rise of plant-based diets and changing consumer preferences, McDonald's remains a dominant player. The company's brand recognition and real estate holdings provide a significant competitive advantage. McDonald's has also expanded its offerings to include delivery and mobile ordering, increasing convenience. The company's focus on customer experience has helped it maintain a loyal customer base. McDonald's real estate empire is a key component of its success, providing a steady stream of income. The company's ability to generate profits from multiple sources has helped it weather economic downturns. McDonald's is a prime example of how a company can use real estate to drive growth and profitability. The company's story serves as a lesson for entrepreneurs and business leaders looking to build a successful brand. By focusing on real estate and franchise economics, companies can create a sustainable and profitable business model. McDonald's Real Estate Playbook is a valuable resource for anyone looking to build a successful business. The company's success is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and strategic planning. McDonald's has proven that with the right strategy, even the most unlikely companies can become real estate empires. By understanding McDonald's real estate playbook, businesses can gain a competitive edge in the market. McDonald's story is a fascinating example of how a company can adapt and evolve over time. The company's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the curve has helped it maintain its position. McDonald's real estate empire is a remarkable achievement, and its story is an inspiration to entrepreneurs everywhere. By studying McDonald's business model, companies can learn how to create a successful and sustainable brand. McDonald's is a true pioneer in the fast food industry, and its real estate strategy has been a key factor in its success. The company's focus on real estate has helped it build a loyal customer base and maintain its position. McDonald's story is a valuable lesson for anyone looking to build a successful business, and its real estate playbook is a must-study for entrepreneurs. By following in McDonald's footsteps, companies can create a profitable and sustainable business model. McDonald's real estate empire is a testament to the power of strategic planning and innovative thinking. The company's success is an inspiration to businesses everywhere, and its story is a fascinating example of how to build a successful brand. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.